Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel ORG Cars. The Hyundai has introduced the 2025 Hyundai EXEL, a futuristic vehicle designed for efficiency, performance, and cutting-edge technology. This model blends modern aesthetics with advanced features, making it a strong competitor in the automotive market. Exterior design and aerodynamic. The Hyundai EXEL 2025 boasts a sleek and futuristic exterior that enhances both aesthetics and aerodynamics. Its streamlined body reduces air resistance, improving fuel efficiency and performance. The front fascia is equipped with a bold LED light bar, giving it a distinctive presence on the road. Interior highlights. Fully digital dashboard. A customizable 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving data. 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Features wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Hyundai's latest UI. Smart ambient lighting. Adjusts based on driving mode and user preferences. Premium leather seats with ventilation. Ensures comfort during long drives. Augmented reality heads-up display. HUD projects essential navigation and safety information onto the windshield. Advanced voice assistant. Controls climate, media, and other functions through natural voice commands. Battery and charging capabilities. The 2025 Hyundai EXEL is equipped with an advanced solid-state battery, which offers improved energy density and faster charging times. This technology enhances both range and efficiency. Battery and charging details. Battery capacity estimated at 85 kWh, providing a driving range of up to 400 miles. 644 km per charge. Ultra-fast charging. Supports 350 kW DC fast charging, allowing 10 to 80% charge in under 18 minutes. Wireless charging option. Enables effortless, cable-free home charging. Regenerative braking system. Helps recover energy while braking, improving overall efficiency. Hyundai's battery technology ensures that the EXEL is a reliable option for long-distance travel with minimal downtime. Safety and driver assistance features. Hyundai has equipped the EXEL 2025 with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance systems. These technologies enhance driving confidence and reduce the risk of accidents. Key safety features. Hyundai Smart Sense 3.0 includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition. Autonomous driving Level 3 allows hands-free driving in certain conditions. 360-degree camera system. Provides a bird's eye view for safer parking and maneuvering. Automatic emergency braking. Detects pedestrians and vehicles, applying brakes if needed. Blind spot monitoring with collision avoidance. Enhances safety when changing lanes. Rear cross traffic alert. Warns of approaching vehicles when reversing. With these advanced safety features, Hyundai ensures that the EXEL is one of the safest vehicles on the road. Suspension and driving dynamics. The 2025 Hyundai EXEL is engineered for a smooth and engaging drive. Its adaptive suspension and advanced driving dynamics enhance both comfort and performance. Performance features. Adaptive air suspension A adjusts ride height and stiffness based on driving conditions. Lightweight chassis A enhances agility and efficiency. Hyundai has fine-tuned the EXEL suspension to ensure a perfect balance of comfort and sportiness. Price and variants. Hyundai is offering the EXEL in multiple trims, catering to different budgets and preferences. Expected pricing, USD. Base model, $45,000, mid-range trim, $52,000, top-end trim, AWD, max features, $60,000. Pricing may vary based on region, optional features, and government incentives. Hyundai aims to make the EXEL a competitive and attractive choice in the EV market. Conclusion. The 2025 Hyundai EXEL is a well-rounded, technologically advanced vehicle with a focus on efficiency, comfort, and safety. Its futuristic design, cutting-edge interior, solid-state battery technology, and advanced driver assist features make it a standout in the EV segment,